This week we changed over the shop and added some new inventory in there. We added some new plants to the backyard. I went thrifting without Zeb for a little bit. Lucky for you, I only bought like 2 bags. So
it's okay. I was doing other things, so I was occupied.
This week for our channel membership, we did 5 ways to jumpstart your business to the next level. We also took a new profile picture.
Yeah.
I may have had to stand on a stool.
Should we go toothy grin or...
Let me see what that one looks like.
Last time we had Odelia take the pictures, I think. Hey, you're taking another picture!
Oh, oops, hold on.
You can't stop it.
Oh.
Suck it in.
You too.
Oh, it's sucked in.
We're such height difference.
We need to get you a box.
Yeah, let's get it. Or I could just step on.
Step on the stool. You're like all mini me over there. All right, stand on the stool. I'll make sure you're in.
Is that too tall?
That's gonna be like right with me. Oh, that's perfect.
As long as it doesn't have me taller than you, because that would be great. It's too tall. I'm too
It's
tall.
not too tall. It's just got you right here with me. Then you can just like use our face.
Yeah.
There was some stool standing.
We wanted to be in the same circle. If you're interested in knowing more about our channel membership, make sure you hit that link below. It's got all the details on channel membership and all the extras in there.
On Waste Not Wednesday, we took tin cans and some old beadboard and made an awesome little planter with some lavender plants. Don't worry, the plants are doing great. We just massaged them a little. Got to massage the roots.
I think we might have to put some of the dirt in the bottom. They were overwatering these. There's moss growing on top. I tried to find smaller plants. There you go. Done. All right, next. If you're really into planting, you may not want to watch what I'm going to do to these to get them in here.
It's all right. The roots will be fine. Oh man, what's all that mud over there? Was that in the thing?
No, because this is what I have to do. You ready?
Are you basically like stripping them down?
No.
Oh, they were really watered this morning, huh? That's all right. It's good to loosen up that root ball.
Loosening up the root ball. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Zeb says I may have bought too many flowers.
I don't know that we have jars or jugs for all of this.
We got this. We got junk. We'll put them inside junk. Smile. All right, so these I picked up when I was at a warehouse sale for a brand that does a lot of model home stuff. They're really cute. This one says holiday greens, but I'm just gonna turn it around and have the non-holiday side out. And then we've got 3 of these, so these are gonna get hung on the pavilion, and we're gonna plant all of this. And I've got a few things that may have not fared so well after our initial plant, so we're gonna change those out and get this all ready.
You hauling plants, Jack?
Yeah.
You helping Eliza?
Okay? Is that okay? You can hand them to me and I'll sprinkle them.
Okay. Dirt
Grab a
everywhere.
handful. Keep it right there. Keep it right there.
That's all right. I'll sweep it.
I'm not very good at this, Deb. I think maybe you should fix this.
Oh, Eliza, just dump them.
Oh.
Like sprinkle them on.
What are you doing?
There you go.
Jack, you want to help me?
That needs help. I don't know what I did with that.
Jack, come do this one over here on this side.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
Oh break it.
You want to break it and crumble it in? Hold on.
Doggy. 2, under doggy. 3, under doggy. Wait. Wait.
Nice.
It is heavy. My arms are all noodly.
I think underneath the pavilion is finally done. We got all the flowers and pots and planters hung, and the weather is finally warm enough that we can now enjoy it.
Is anything ever finally done with me?
No, by the time we get it just how we want it, we'll be moving and I'll have to be taking the whole thing down.
Or I'll just come up with a new design. And we got the video for the 40/40 flip up that I did with Debbie from Debi Design Diary. Follow along with us as the items sell at the shop, and we'll let you know in about 30 days who won the challenge.
Hey, I'm
What's
invading
up?
Jamie's channel.
So we're at the Kobe Swap Meet in San Diego, and we got $40, 40 minutes, and it's on like Donkey Kong.
I'm gonna crush it.
And last but not least, yesterday I went thrifting. So Zeb let me out of the house, and look where I wound up. The thrift store. We'll see if we find anything good before we gotta go out of town tomorrow. All right, just stepped in, look what I found. Hobnail. Gonna pick these up. $1.50, yes please. Baskets for days. Not seeing anything I can't live without though. All right, look how cute. I think I'm gonna pass on these though because I have a ton of them, although I really want them. I don't know. All right, matching set, I'm gonna pick them up. $1 each. Not gonna break the bank. Tarnished silver, this is a serving dish with a lid. It doesn't have any marks on the bottom that I can see, but really cute. $4. It's a good one. 0 brass candlesticks in the shop, so. Made in Taiwan. All right, I'm just filming this as videographic evidence that I passed on these 4 cute chairs because we have a bunch of chairs in the garage, and if I bring these home, Zeb might disown me. The world's smallest thrift haul today, but all cute stuff, so I'll take it. For any of the paint products that we used today, be sure to go to jamirayvintage.com for your DIY needs. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you never miss a live or an upload. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.